Hey everyone, amazing people, welcome back to Windows Fixer. Today I have got something truly extraordinary to share, a magical tool that can restore and repair damaged or blurry images. Yes, you heard it right. Now, to introduce in this video, we are diving into the incredible world of image restoration using the GFPGN. I don't know what it stands for, but it's a tool name. The best part, no download needed, just follow the link in the description, create an account and you are ready to go. Let me show you. So I have already logged in my account and probably you can use the GitHub account on this, right? Now, after creating your account, it's time to witness the magic. Import your image, but remember it should be in JPG format for optimal result. So just click on this and now you need to import your image. Now before importing the image, you can see the result of this image. It's blurry. Alright, now select this image and click on open. Now scroll down a bit before doing anything. You can also actually use the webcam if you have, otherwise you can see here the versions. Now 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 and RestoreFormer. Now here's the interesting part, selecting the version 1.3v is great for natural optimized image, but if you are looking for something even better, 1.4 version is the way to go. Keep in mind there might be a newer version available by the time you are watching this, but as of now 1.4 version is perfection. So yeah, one more thing, you can see here the scale number, don't change the number. 2 is I guess perfect and it's default, but you can tweak a bit if you want, otherwise yeah, that's fine. Now here you can see before and after result of this tool. Now can it restore actually this image? Here's a little secret for enhanced clarity. Use the RestoreFormer format, it works wonder. Stick around as I guide you through the step to make your image crystal clear. So first we are gonna do here just making a clarity. So RestoreFormer and then click on run. It will take only a few seconds, around 4 to 5 depending on your internet performance as well actually. And after that you can see the result. This is before and that's the after. And now what we are gonna do here, just click on tweak it and now 1.4 and then click on run. And now you can see, so no more struggling with damaged or blurry image. The GFPGN tool is here to make your picture shine. That's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoy this quick guide, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your creative buddies and hit subscribe for more fantastic content. Thanks for joining me and I'll catch you in the next one.